Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is Jenny from LaShenny21Nails. Today I'm sharing a special package that I received in the mail. It comes in this beautiful little pink envelope and it's a bubble wrapped envelope, so whatever's inside is well protected. There's a cute little card that says, "I love myself just the way I am, Shai's World." And here's the information about these polishes. All of the polishes are 5 free, which means they don't contain any of these harmful ingredients. They're fast drying, long wear, smooth application, and they protect the nails. The fact that these polishes are 5 free is very important, but the best part about this brand is that it was created by a beautiful young woman called Shai, and she's very young, so I hope you guys will enjoy these swatches and check out her website shaisworld.com to see the beautiful polishes that she has available. And here's a close-up of the 4 beautiful polishes that she sent me to try out and share with you guys. I don't know about you guys, but this one says Happy Valentine's Day to me. And it's called Sweetheart. It's a beautiful pink polish with white and red glitter. That's 1 coat of Sweetheart. Next up we have this magical glitter, and this one is called Heartbeat. It's part of the Valentine combo. You can get them together or individually. Look at all that glitter. It's beautiful. That's 1 coat of Heartbeat. Next up we have this one, which is called Slate. It's a gorgeous silver metallic polish. Here's 1 coat of Slate. The last polish is this magical blue shade. It's called Winter Dust. Here's 1 coat of Winter Dust. I applied a 2nd coat to all of them. And there you have the 4 beautiful polishes: Sweetheart, Heartbeat, Slate, and Winter Dust. Thank you to Shai from Shai's World for sending me these beautiful polishes to share and review. Check the description box for links and more information on Shai's World. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!